Welcome back, my beautiful people. Welcome back to all my viewers and subscribers. In this video, I'll be reviewing my Gucci Agrado GRG sandals. And these are after the unboxing. So, these sandals, they're very catchy. They're very eye-catching. I get good compliments in these. Always enjoy wearing them. There's a few pros and there's a few cons. The pros in these is that it's very sturdy. The material is very soft. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's, for sandals, it's more on the heavy side. It's kind of have a little weight to it. I enjoy the blue-red web and the green-red web. I enjoy that. One of the faults I also find is the lettering inside, which is a good Gucci lettering. It tends to leave, when you're standing it too long, you find that your feet gets in the groove and it does make it a little bit annoying. It's not ideal for me in terms of walking for long distances because of the two-piece. This is how your foot looks in the sandals. So this part here would hold your feet in, while this part here prevents the top of your foot here from going in. So the more you walk, sometimes you tend to walk back out. So your foot will be coming out to here. And if you wear size 10 by a size 11, with these go one size up. Because you find that most of your feet will be in the back here off the rim instead of up here. Because as I said, this part here of your feet would prevent your foot from going all the way up. So most of your feet will be in the back here. And when I walk in these, I find myself have to be stopping and pushing my foot back in the slides. But beyond that, they're very sturdy. The wear pattern on the back is perfect, not too much. And I wear these a lot. The bottom is still dirty. And I don't really see much other issues I could say surrounding these. Besides that, go one size up, so that you don't have when you walk to your feet hanging off over here, because of every time you walk, you find that your foot be coming out. Then you gotta stop, push your foot back in it, and walk again. And then the Gucci inside, it's just when example, you stand in it for a while, then you probably see the G indentation in the bottom of your foot, and sometimes it gets a little bit annoying. But beyond that, that's just the issues I find after the unboxing, after the wear, after the tear. And the pros is very catchy, very nice sandals. The cons is just that sometimes you get a little bit uncomfortable when you wear. Your foot tend to always come out when you wear. The logo in the bottom always be annoying when you stand for too long. And that's about it, man. That's about it. I don't really can't say it's kind of, I mean, it's more on the heavy side compared to most sandals you have. Is have a bit of weight to it, but beyond that, I mean, it's good. It's a pass. It's a pass. It's a pass. It's a pass. And it still stands up over the years of wearing, a lot of abuse. Been to the summertime, it's been to the wintertime. And the next thing is in the sun, because it's rubber material, as we all know, most material in the wintertime is kind of stiff. In the summertime, this is soft because of the sun as normal. And then, but always go one size up, because this is how your foot looks in it. And when you're trying to push your foot in, here would be on here like this. So you can't go in much. So the more you walk, you find yourself walking out. Then you gotta stop, push your foot back in it. That's one of the things I don't really like about it. So because of the double strap. So that's just my little review on these GRGs. And as always, anything you see in my video or hear in my video that's inaccurate, please like, share, comment about it. Until next time, peace out. Thank you for watching.